edge of Hyderabad, in the thriving hub of Dundigil lies a campus that shares more than just a neighborhood with the prestigious Indian Air Force Academy. It shares a spirit of ambition, precision and excellence. This is MLRIT, the MLR Institute of Technology. 2005, this campus has grown into a powerhouse of technical education, home to 9 core engineering disciplines spanning UG programs: Computer Science and Engineering, CSE, Data Science, CSE, AI and ML, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Aeronautical Engineering. PG programs: Computer Science and Engineering, Thermal Engineering and Embedded Systems. MBA, Finance, HR, Marketing and Entrepreneurship. PhD in CSE, ECE and Mechanical Engineering. The department has rapidly expanded to 180 seats today, steered by 35 faculty members, including 7 PhD in AI and ML. Through a dedicated AI and ML Center of Excellence established in collaboration with Virtusa, students don't just learn from textbooks. They engage in direct tech talks and mentorships with industry leaders from global giants like EPAM. MLRIT is a NIRF-ranked institution, placed in the 201 to 300 rank band. MLRIT is NAAC accredited with an A grade, NBA accredited, and has been UGC autonomous since 2015 and affiliated with JNTU. Step into the Innovation Cell, makerspace equipped with 3D printers, CNC machines and laser cutters, IoT lab, prototype lab, and an innovation lab. And this is where classroom theories are forged into real-world working prototypes. In 2026 alone, MLRIT students secured an incredible 621 offers from 36 global companies, with the highest package reaching a spectacular 51 lakhs per annum. Corporate giants like Cognizant, Infosys, HCL Tech, Deloitte, Virtusa, ITC Infotech were some of the top recruiters. The dedicated centers of excellence with Virtusa and EPAM offer paid training tracks, leading to guaranteed placements ranging from 5.5 to 12 LPA. The campus buzzes with energy during its internal Smart India Hackathons, Ideathons, and the AWS Cloud Trek. It is also the proud host of Zignasa, a prestigious 24-hour national hackathon that draws over 750 brilliant minds, including competing teams from the elite IIT. The Innovation Cell has successfully incubated 10 student startups in partnership with T-Hub and Indian School of Business. But here, excellence extends far beyond the laboratories. MLRIT boasts a massive 26,000 square foot of indoor sports stadium for badminton, squash, snooker backed by robust sports quota scholarships for state and national level athletes. Life is vibrant. Driven by 12 student-led clubs, the campus regularly plays host to mega events like the Global Cross Culture Summit, the Workshop Carnival, and the annual Kite Festival. And when graduation day arrives, the connection doesn't end. Its powerful, active global alumni network serves as a lifelong bridge for mentorship, job referrals, and a continuous corporate synergy. The campus have massive hostel capacity for 1,200 boys and 1,200 girls. Also, a free medical support is availability 24/7. This is MLRIT. Admissions are open. Apply now, today.